Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature requires selecting the longest carbon chain that includes the principal characteristic group, aldehyde, ChO, as the parent chain, then numbering to give the principal group the lowest locant. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The compound contains an aldehyde, ChO, which is the highest priority group and must be included in the parent chain. Moving on to the next step. Identify the longest carbon chain containing the ChO group. The chain is CH3CH-ChO, which is a 3-carbon chain, propanol backbone. C1 is equal to ChO, C2 is equal to CH, C3 is equal to CH3. And for the final step, number the chain. The aldehyde carbon is always C1. So C1 is equal to ChO, C2 is equal to CH, bearing the phenyl group, C3 is equal to CH3. Name the substituent. There is a phenyl group, C6H5, on C2. Assemble the name. Parent chain is equal to propanol, 3 carbons with aldehyde at C1. Substituent is equal to phenyl at C2. Full name is equal to phenyl propanol. Why other options fail? A. 2-phenyl propan, 3-ul is incorrect because in a 3-carbon aldehyde, the aldehyde is always at C1 not C3. The locant 3 for the aldehyde is not valid IUPAC nomenclature. B. Formylethylbenzene treats benzene as the parent, which is incorrect when an aldehyde chain can serve as the principal chain. D. Ethylformylbenzene also incorrectly uses benzene as the parent and misdescribes the substituent. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.